going on, JB fam? We is back with another video. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what to do. Today we got a crazy reaction, man. This man in LA put out a machine gun on a cop, bro, and got the clapping at their ass. But hey, man, y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's hop right into the video. Turn the sound up for y'all, boys and ladies. I ain't got no black today, man.
Hey, this thing's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
He ain't going, but he ain't trying to pull over. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Stop this, stop this, stop.
Oh, shit, nigga, damn.
Shots fired, shots fired.
He pulled out that switchy.
Stop this, stop this, stop.
Shots fired, shots fired. Get the car, get the car.
Damn.
What's that, you good? Go, just go, 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 go. We're gonna be northbound. Northbound.
Boy, they better not get caught, boy.
Hey. No, go, 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 go. Dude, go.
What the fuck was that? The fuck?
They got hit with some dog shit, boy.
I don't know. Troy, do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went? No.
They ain't never got hit with that switch before.
Adam 44. Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 130.
But they car smoking, nigga. They out. It's over with. Over with.
We need an RA. Partner, you okay?
I don't know, I'm bleeding.
Alright.
Hey, stay away from the car.
Northbound Broadway from 135th.
Damn.
Reckless or DUI if they take off?
Right, he's been swerving.
And I know. Yeah. We're good.
Stop this, stop this, stop.
Good. Bro, they got hit with some shit, boy. Whoa.
Adam 44 on Broadway, north.
Oh, we get all the POVs. I like this. That's why I like police activity, boy. No cap.
Hey, this thing's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
Oh, shit.
You want to call it reckless or DUI if they take off?
145 right, he's been swerving.
Yeah.
He ain't got to worry about no take off.
And I go. Yeah. We're good.
Good.
Shots fired, shots fired. Officer needs help. Officer needs help. Get the car, get the car.
Good. They got hit with that
Let's go, go, go,
shit.
go. We're going to be northbound. Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans. Yeah.
What hit us with it?
Hey. Go, 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 go.
Hey, bro. They cracked their shield.
I don't know. Do you know where they went? No. Do you know where they went? No. No, stop. We're stopping. Adam 44. Adam 44.
Yeah, bro. Y'all boys need backup on both.
We took shots fired. The car is last seen northbound on Broadway at 135th Street.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, cuz that shit right there was crazy, buddy. Like, bro, do we gotta run that back? I'm gonna say, let's run that back. Let's run that back real quick. Let's run that back real quick. Cause I ain't gonna go back that far. But goddamn, I need to go back to the goddamn. Yeah, let's go back there. Let's go back there. But they got hit They got hit with that. Hey!
Oh, stop this.
Bro. Nah, cuz that shit OD, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That, hey, bro, we ain't gonna watch the whole thing back through, bro, but that shit was crazy, bro. No cap, bro. But if y'all enjoyed that video and got to the end, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Roll to 1,000 subscribers. Tell me to my clothing brand, JungleBredClothing. Link is in the description. Other than that, JBsiah, we out.